That's pretty good.
Isn't that too big?
What do you mean, the slot too big?
Yeah.
For this? Yeah, it is a little big, but I want it to fit loose just in case it doesn't fit perfectly on the one that's out there. I give it a bit of wiggle room. It doesn't have to fit perfect. Okay. Okay, take these two out, put them under the water, dig them in, take some measurements, and come back and cut the next brick. Be right back. Okay, the measurement was that minus 2 fingers is to the beginning of the next one of these, which is so that, and then the angle of these about that. Right, so that's the corner there. I have to take out this little noble shiblings here. Yeah, cut that. Right, okay. Alright, does that look like a good angle for the end wall? Great. I would have taken you out there, but everything I'm doing right now is under the water, so nothing to see. Oh, and it's pretty wavy right now, so it's not even like there's visibility in the water. What? It's cracked?
Yeah.
Why isn't that coming apart?
Well, it's cracked.
Are you talking about the cut line I made? Yeah, it's cut. It's not cracked yet. I am cracked. Hey, back up, back up. Right here. Now it's cracked. Might be able to use that piece for something.
I could use it.
No, not yet. Where's this? Okay, yeah, that's right. It goes there. Okay, yeah, that's right. Oh, wait a second. The bottom's got to be weird. Okay, so the piece under it comes here, but then goes there. Well, I definitely have to take some of this off. Not that much. Not much of that. Alright, I'll do that first. Don't stand behind me. Things are flying that direction. Don't go there. Alright, and when this is there, it'll be like that. That part will be fine, but this part is going to have to have it. This will be cut. Alright, hopefully I did that right. So this will be angled like that because the piece under here will be angled at the right angle. But this piece will not be. Right, okay. That should fit.
It's right there instead of in the middle.
What?
It's right there. It's not even level.
You're not holding it. Well, jiggle it for a second.
Like this?
No. Oh, nice fit. Boy, if I can get them all to fit that nice, that'd be great.
No.
You guys realize? Actually, no, this is fine. Yeah. Okay, the next piece will not slot into this one at all because this one has no thing going that way. Let me see that level. Couldn't really check the level on this very well. Wait a second. If I put this here. Okay, yeah, this will totally do it right. Because this comes up to that brick, which will stick out to here. The next piece above, that means it'll start here and go to roughly halfway. Okay. Yeah, so I do want to put this piece in there. I just noticed this. Yeah. Well, I can put this one on one of the future ones. Now that's a non-tiled one. I wonder if that's because I threw some of them off up here down to the sand. Yeah, that's probably what happened. Anyway, not too hard to fix. And the water isn't super clear right now, but clear enough to see what's going on here. Not bad. I think I have to move this out a little bit that way though, because the little lip that goes behind here isn't going to fit. So I'll have to just shove all that stuff out a little bit. Other than that, it looks good. Let's see, before I get in here and start doing stuff, how many more of these do I want? 1, 2 more? Yeah, 2 more big pieces and then I can start going back that way. Alright. Oh, this wobble here is just because I'm holding this up with rocks. When it's filled in with dirt, that should be fine. I'm out of bricks for the moment. Well, I have some more tiled ones down here that go on this top row, but there's no point in putting them up there. They're just going to fall over. But yeah, this is out to here, and then I got to start coming back. That is looking great. Oh, I love it. This will get straightened out when I fill in behind. Yeah, these corners are working really well. I mean, it's not anything fancy. Tip that back a little bit to match that better. But those don't even need to be perfect. Whatever. And the important thing right now is that I've got all this... All right, sneezerizer. I've got all this blocked off, which will prevent sand from here getting washed to over there, which is where a lot of my beach sand is just going, back over there. But now this is blocked here, and then there's this thing that was already here, and that's kind of connected to the wall. So yeah, I got a big sand blocker. Maybe I'll just go over there and grab some of that sand and throw it back on this side of the wall. But yeah, the urgent part is over. I've got some sand blockage, and I'm still building 2 of these blocks every day. So I don't know, in a week or whatever, 2 or 3, be able to finish all that, and then fill it in. And I want to put nice grass on top. I don't know. We'll see.